Hello, everybody. Welcome to Monday, November 16th, 2020. It's a great day to be a junior Potter here. Mr. Parrott here with you. Because you cannot be with us today for whatever reason, absent, quarantining, whatever it is. I hope you're being well out there and that you feel better. But here's what we have happening on today. We've got the bell ringer. Make sure that you answer it. For today, we're starting to look at trying to use stuff without our notes. So a couple of them I specifically say on the bell ringer, don't use your notes for. I just want to see what you come up with for what you can remember for some of these phases. And that's because later on this week, we'll be having a quiz/test, whatever you want to call it, over mitosis. I'll get into more of how that test quiz/thing will work on one of my videos later on this week. But what we got today, first off, make sure you submit your microscope internet activity. If you have not done that yet, check out my videos from Thursday and Friday of last week to know how to go through and do both Part A and Part B. We'll be just reviewing in class a little bit. I think I'm going to try to push out an individual Kahoot that you can do at home. So look for that link, probably coming up later today, maybe tomorrow as soon as I figure out how to put it up there. It'll probably be after school today, maybe, in the Monday folder, so you can participate with that, kind of an individual one. Maybe it'll just be in the November folder. Let's just call it that. Let's say it's going to be in the November folder. Just an individual Kahoot opportunity there, because I think I can do that now. I think they came up with a way to do that. We've got a study guide. That is the thing that is up on Schoology today. So if you open up Schoology here, go to our November folder, go down to November 16th, Monday, as it says here, study guide, assignment, study guide mitosis. You can open it up. It's a document already made for you, and our study guide is made out of 3 different sections. And as it says, these are just practice questions. They don't cover maybe everything or every way of how I can word a question. So remember, sometimes they can be worded a little bit differently when it comes to the test, but overall, they're basically very similar things here. First section is all just different parts of the vocabulary terms that we've looked at with mitosis. Looking at things like chromosomes and chromatin and centrioles, those kind of things that we've been looking at, some of the vocab words there. The second part is about all the phases, interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and just being able to recognize what happens in what phase. So a lot of them are about our phases. The third one then, don't forget about the third one here, because it does go on to the next page. The third part is you're going to have to draw up our pictures of mitosis and kind of label them for each phase and add the picture below there. So you can use that on one of those little drawing apps there. Notability is a good one I know that people use. There's some other ones that you'd have access to on your iPad, but you're going to draw them up, put all 5 of the phases on there. You don't need to show the transition ones. That was just for that little project there. You just need to give me the one, like, ideal, what prophase would look like, what anaphase would look like, those kind of things. So you should have 5 pictures there for that one. And that's what we're doing today. If you submit it, I'll go through, grade it, give you the right answers so that you know what you need to do to study from, as well as your notes and other things there. So I hope you're staying safe, staying well out there. If you have any questions whatsoever, do not hesitate to email me. Always available. So make sure that you take advantage of that. Otherwise, that is all that we have for today. A pretty easy day there because we're working on our study guide. Most people are getting most of the way done with it in class after our little review thing today. So some good things. So if you get it done early, you can go ahead and feel free to submit it, and I'll take a look at it. It might be after I get done with the internet mitosis stuff first, but it'll be soon after that I'll take a look at those. So hopefully that'll be today/tomorrow, but I'll take a look at everything that gets submitted up to me. But with everything there, signing off here. Be well, stay safe. Have any questions, email it up. See ya!